Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili lime sauce. This simple recipe uses just a few fresh ingredients to create a vibrant, flavorful condiment. You will need about 2 to 3 red chilies, 2 to 3 fresh limes, 1 clove of garlic, and a touch of sweetener. This sauce is incredibly versatile and adds a zesty kick to many dishes. First, finely chop your red chilies and mince the garlic clove. For a milder sauce, remove the chili seeds. Next, zest 1 lime carefully, avoiding the bitter white pith. Then, juice 2 to 3 limes to get approximately 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Finally, combine these prepared ingredients in a small bowl, ready for mixing. Now it is time to balance the flavors. Add about 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, like honey or agave nectar, to the chili and lime mixture. Stir everything together very well until the sweetener is completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, consistent taste. Always taste your sauce and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your personal preference. Your delicious homemade chili lime sauce is now ready to enjoy. It is fantastic drizzled over grilled chicken, fish tacos, or roasted vegetables. For best results, store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in your refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for about 5 to 7 days, making it perfect for meal prepping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.